Hey guys, showing you this Bruno Marc dress shoes. It's also a loafer design, so you can wear them, with a great sole, and the design sole with a solid build, long lasting, nice buckle shoes like on the side. Looks really nice with the soft insole. So see, it's a nice design. It's just like royal blue in shade with the back with the waterproof, slightly sole. Looks nice while you wear it, comfortable with the soft insole from the back and sides. Pretty much comfortable and solid. Nice design.